Well, hello, my vegan candy divas and dudes. Think gummy bears are just for kids? Please. I'm Marilyn from Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen, and I'm serving up plant-based gummy realness that'll make gelatin run crying to the corner. These chewy, colorful babies are about to slay your snack game. Ready to be obsessed? Let's get it. Hold up, because I'm spilling all the tea on this ridiculously easy recipe. Stuff you've got in your pantry in steps so simple you'll be cackling at how extra you look making candy. Oh, and my first try, a hot, sticky mess. Yep. I'm throwing shade at myself. Let's dive into this vegan candy glow up, shall we? Alright, let's start our A-list ingredients for this gummy takeover. Grab the juice. Go big or go home. I'm living for apple juice with a sassy pinch of blue spirulina for iconic turquoise gummies, or our sour cherry juice with more spirulina for purple perfection that screams, look at me. Toss in the coconut sugar for that caramel kiss sweetness. Mwah. Cornstarch for that chewy slay. Tapioca starch for extra bounce, and 2 packets of TrueLime for a zesty zing that'll make your taste buds say, yes, queen. A sprinkle of spirulina, that's your ticket to Insta-worthy colors. These ingredients are serving looks and flavor. Ingredients? Nailed it, boo. Now let's turn up the heat and make some candy magic. My first batch was giving science project gone wrong. Who's ready to do this like the pros? Let's work. Here's the tea. Grab a pot and whisk your juice, coconut sugar, cornstarch, tapioca starch, and 1 TrueLime packet. Like you're Beyonce owning the stage. No lumps or you're out of the band. Pop it on low heat and whisk like you're shading your ex fierce and nonstop until it's glossy, vibrant candy magic. Check the vid for that chef's kiss texture. Quick, before it sets, spatula that fabulousness into silicone gummy bear molds or hearts. Stars, whatever's giving you life. Slide them into the fridge for 5 hours to chill. Want to flex? Try mango juice or elderberry for a healthy slay. You're basically a candy goddess. Yes, you're killing it. But hold the phone. Let's dodge my rookie disaster. That sticky fail I spilled about? Time to loop back and keep your gummies serving perfection. Gummies too soft? More cornstarch. And don't play yourself. Too hard? Chill on the heat, diva. Pop them out, toss in rice flour, that second TrueLime packet for a tangy, non-sticky kook. Air dry on a cooling rack for that pro chew swagger. These babies are movie night MVPs or kiddo snacks that'll have everyone shook. Vegan candy this fierce? That's Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen energy, and bam, you've got vegan gummy bears that are chewy, fruity, and straight up stealing the spotlight. If you're craving these like I am, smash that like button, subscribe for more vegan slayage, and spill your fave flavor combo below. This is Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen, where we keep it cruelty-free, extra AF, and oh so delish. Catch you next time, my candy supers.